Some alterations in life just require some new lights. Abraham, live where you are. Go to a land I will show you. Why don't you bless me here? He said, didn't you hear what I just said? Live where you are. You need to see something you have not seen before so that you can handle what you have not handled before. God can do all things. There was this word the choir used in that song this morning, Bogonishe. And as I just sat down there, I was thinking of the best English word that, so who can help me this morning? What would be the English word for that? What God cannot do does not exist. All-rounder. That's sounding like it. All-rounder. I like that. Any other one? Capable. Doesn't quite. All-rounder is still the closest I've heard. Able God. All-sufficient. Okay. So I will go with all-rounder because that sounds more like it. God can do all things. What hasn't happened is the one he hasn't intervened in.